चैप्टर 8 नेत्रारोगा संपर्प्ति हेतु पूर्वरूपा रूपा क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ नेत्रारोगा एंशिएंट एंड मॉडर्न Causative factors of all the diseases are of two major types, Nija, internal causes, and Agantu, external causes. They are also classified into 7 groups. General causes. सप्तविधे व्याधावुपनिप्ति तद्यथा आदिबल प्रवृत्ताः, जन्मबल प्रवृत्ताः, दोषबल प्रवृत्ताः, संघातबल प्रवृत्ताः, कालबल प्रवृत्तातः, दैवबल प्रवृत्ताः, स्वभावबल प्रवृत्ताः इति। सुसु 24/4। 1 आदि बाला जेनेटिक, 2 जन्म बाला कॉन्जेनिटल, 3 दोसा बाला कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, 4 संघटा बाला ट्रॉमेटिक, 5 काला बाला सीजनल, 6 दैव बाला इन्फेक्शंस एंड स्पिरिचुअल, 7 स्वाभवा बाला नेचुरल। 1 आदि बाला PRAVTTA diseases are produced due to the defects in Sukra or Sonita. तत्रादिबल प्रवृत्ता ये शुक्रशोणित दोषान्वयाः कुष्ठाश प्रभृतयः तेपि द्विविधाः मातृजाः पितृजाश्च। सुसु 24/6 यस्य यस्य हि अंगावयवस्य बीजे बीजभाग उपत्तो भवति तस्य तस्य अंगावयवस्य 2 जन्म बाला प्रवृत्ता जन्मबल प्रवृत्ता ये मातुर्पचारात् पंगुजात्यन्धब्धिर्मुक्मिन्मिन्वाम्न प्रभृत्यो जायन्ते तेपि द्विविधाः रसकृताः दोहृदापचारकृताश्च। सुसु 26/5 These diseases are the result of improper food of the expectant mother. There will not be any genetic defect in any of the parents here. They are either 1 प्रसाकर्ता nutritional deficiency or 2 दोहृदा अपाचराकर्ता not fulfilling the desires of pregnant woman. इंद्रियार्थांस्तु यान यान सा भोक्तुमिच्छति गर्भिणी गर्भाबाध भयात्तांस्तान भिषगाहृत्यदापेत। सुषा 3/19 माहिषे दोहृदा क्षूरण रक्ताक्षम। सुषा 3/26 The pregnant woman's desires regarding smell, sound, sight etc. should be attended, otherwise there is a risk of congenital diseases related with those sense organs. Further, these desires are the result of the deeds of previous birth, Su.Sa. 3.27, and will predict the features of the child. For example, if the expectant mother is desirous of eating the meat of a buffalo, the child will have a red-colored eyes like that animal. तत्र दृष्टि भागम प्रतिपन्न तेजो जात्यंधं करोति तदेव रक्तानुक्त रक्ताक्षं पित्तानुक्तं पिंगाक्षं श्लेष्मानुक्तं शुक्लाक्षं वातानुक्तं विकृताक्षमिति। सुषा 2/35 The factors that prevent tejas from properly entering drishti in second trimester will result in congenital blindness. A.S.Sa 2.53 If tejas fails to reach drishti, there will be jatyandha, congenital blindness. If it gets polluted with dosas, there will be discoloration of Suklamandala. Dohrid Vimannath Vikritaksham va nari sutan janyati. Susha 3/18 In addition, it is said that a child can born with incomplete, distorted or complete absence of eye in such cases. येषु येषु इंद्रियार्थेषु दोहृदे वै विमानना प्रजायेत सुतस्यार्थियः तस्मिन् तस्मिन् तथेन्द्रिये। सुषा 3/21 3 दोसा बाला प्रवृत्ता दोषबल प्रवृत्ता ये आतंकस्मुत्पन्ना मिथ्याहाराचारकृताश्च तेपि द्विविधाः आमाश्यस्मुत्थाः पक्वाश्यस्मुत्थाश्च पुनश्च द्विविधाः शारीरा मांसाश्च त एते आध्यात्मिकाः। सुसु 24/5 Improper food and regimen are the causative factors to vitiate dosas. They are produced either in amsaya or pakvasaya. They may be physical or psychological. Harata Sanhit has briefly classified such dosa vitiating factors into 3 groups. Shnati kshar katukaiha abhighaten va punah sukshma vastrekshanenapi doshaah kupyanti netrajah. हाँ 3/45/1 से 3 Foods of Usna, Sara, katurasa etc. Dietary causes. Trauma. Observing very minute objects, improper ocular hygiene. In Karaka Sanhita, excessive, deficient or defective use of eyes are correlated with eye diseases. तत्र अति प्रभावता दृश्याना अति मात्रण दर्शन अतियोगः सर्वशो अदर्शनम अयोगः अति श्लिष्ट अति विप्रकृष्ट रौद्र भैरव अद्भुत द्विष्ट बीभत्से विकृत वित्रासनादि रूप दर्शन मिथ्या योगः सु 11/37. Ati yoga looking into the illuminating and bright objects for long duration. Ayoga not seeing at all or completely avoiding vision. Mithya yoga looking into the very near or very far away objects, fearful or striking, terribly prodigious, hateful, frightful, monstrous, alarming sights. 4. Sanghata bala pravtta. संघात बल प्रवृत्ता य आगंतवो दुर्बलस्य बलवद विग्रहात् तेपि द्विविधाः शस्त्रकृता व्यालकृताश्च. सुसु 24/6. They are external injuries causing diseases. They can be either trauma or bites of animals or birds. The section of Nayan Bhigta deals with such diseases. 5. Kla bala pravtta. कालबल प्रवृत्ता ये शीतोष्णवात वर्षात्प प्रभृति निमित्ताः तेपि द्विविधाः व्यापन्न तु कृताः अव्यापन्नर्तुकृताश्च. सुसु 24/7. क्लाबाला प्रवृत्ता or seasonal diseases may be due to the effect of proper seasons or irregularity of the seasons. Seasonal eye diseases are produced due to change in the climatic conditions. Amlosita in rainy season. 6. दैवाबाला pravtta. संसर्गजा आकस्मिकाश्च सुसु 24/7. They are either due to the attack of superhuman powers or contagious diseases produced due to microbes. Netra abhisyanda is one of such opsargika roga. 7. Swabhava bala pravtta. कालकृताः अकालकृताश्च सुसु 24/7. The controlling of natural urges and the age-related degenerative changes. बाल्यात् दोष बलादेव दुष्टाहार अभिषेवनात् वार्धक्यात् च पटलन स्यात् तस्य वक्ष्यामि लक्षणम्. हाँ 3:45-24. हरिता संहिता 3. 45.22-24 has traced the relationship between age and visual diseases. Specific causes of eye diseases. उष्णाभितप्तस्य जलप्रवेशात् दूरेक्षणात् स्वप्नविपर्ययाच्च. प्रसक्तसंरोदनकोपशोकक्लेशाभिघातात्तिमैथुनाच्च. शुक्तार्नालम्लाकुलत्थमाश् निषेवनाद्वेगविनिग्रहाच्च. स्वेदात्थो धूमनिषेवनाच्च छर्देर्विघाताद्वम्नातियोनात्. वाष्पग्रहात् सूक्ष्मनिरीक्षणाच्च नेत्रे विकारान् जनयन्ति दोषाः. सु 1/26-27. 1. उष्णाभितप्तस्य जलप्रवेश immersing in cold water immediately after getting exposed to heat or sun. A fine balance is maintained between usna and sita in the eye. Any deviation to this will produce abhisyanda. This sirobhisyanda may lead to netra abhisyanda. Though durekshan looking at very distant objects for a long duration. This comes under both atiyoga and mithyayoga of the eye. 3. Swapna viparya, abnormal sleeping habits like DIW swapna, day sleep, and nisi jagrana, alert at night. Indriyana asmarthya. Bhavenrina divasvapnasya ahitasya nishevna, Su 21-49. Vigil during night will increase ruksata and sleep during daytime causes snigdhata in excess. Ratro jagarnam rukshan snigdha prasvapnam diva. Su 21/50. Suppressing the sleep causes heaviness in the eyes. Akshigorva nidravidharnat. Su 7/23. Kaksu tarpana is useful in sleep disorders. 4. Prasakt sanrodan, continuous weeping for several days. Weeping is associated with tears disturbing ashrumargas. 5. Kop, shok, anger and grief, these mental conditions will impact the equilibrium of dosas as kopa, anger, increases pitta and shoka, grief, increases view. 6. Klesh, pain, anguish, distress, trouble. Yoga Darshan has described 5 types of klesa. Avidya, asmitaragadvesh, abhinivesha, panchklesha. Avidya, bad entities like unhygienic practices are felt as good. Asmita, excessively proud about oneself. By raga, excessive love. Dvesa, excessive anger. Abhinivesa, completely involved in worldly pleasures. All these factors will result in stress and strain, which will lead to eye diseases. 7. Abhighat, trauma. Many eye diseases are produced due to injuries to the eye and neighboring structures. 8. Atimaithun, excessive sex results in the reduction of body tissues, dhatukshay. The Indriyas derive their nutrition from body tissues, G, and I will be deprived of this nourishment. 9. Gral, adquid, alcoholic brewerages, Sukta, and Ranla are produced by fermentation. They have TIK, RUKA, properties with intoxicating action. Most of the sour food items are harmful to the eyes. 10. The horse gram has the properties like Laghu, Vidhi, Katupak and Virya. It reduces body tissues. The black gram, MA, has properties opposite to Kultha and Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vipka, Guru, Snigdha Gunas increase Kapha and Dhtus. 11. AFF, suppression of urges. The major effects of Vega Nigraha on eye are as follows. SL. No suppression of effect. 1. JMBHA, yawning, Tivra Lokana Vikra, severe diseases of eye. 2. Ashru, weeping, Nayana Amya, eye disease. 3. Hikka, belching, Akshiroga, eye disease. 4. Ksudha, hunger, Drasti Krista, reduced vision. 12. Excessive sudation to eye. Vrishna Hridyan Drishtin Svedyen Mriduvanava, Charak. Svedana is contraindicated for the patients suffering from Timira. It may also produce Pittaja and Raktaja diseases. 13. Q. Excessive exposure to smoke and other pollutants. 14. Chharde Vighat Vaman Atiyog, suppressing of the urge to vomit or indulging in excessive Vaman therapy. Skin diseases are produced due to the suppression of nausea which may extend to the eyes. Vamnatiyoge Ashnoha Vyavrittiyah, Suchi 34/12. The excessive Vaman can even cause the expulsion of eyeball. Vaman karma is strictly contraindicated in the disease Timira. 15. Vashpagraha, suppressing the tears during grief. Vitiated view obstructs the dosas to produce disease in Asruvaha Srotas. 16. Sukshma Nirikshan, watching minute objects for long duration. There is an additional line quoted by Sri Dalhana. Avak Shiro ityuchrit shayatasya jwaropghatadrituparyayachcha. Sleeping in supine position or in very high cots. Diseases like fever or seasonal changes. Other causative factors for eye diseases mentioned in the medieval texts are as follows. Bhav Prakasa. Exposure to dust and smoke, Rajo Dhum Nishevan. Traveling very fast, Atishighryan. Abnormal climatic changes, Rituna Viparya. Exposure of head to excessive heat, Shiro Abhita. Yoga Ratnakara. Excessive liquid intake, Dravan Panati Nishevan. Alcoholism, Ati Madhyapan. Videha Tantra. In addition to the above, Acharya Videha has enlisted various factors that may damage the eyes. They are तीक्ष्णांजन अति परिक्लिष्टेषु नेत्रेषु वार्त आतप धूम रज व्यापार कीट माक्षिका मशक स्पर्शादिभ्यः अभिहितेषु सलिल क्रीडा जागरण लंघनाप्लुताभ्यः द्रुतेषु श्रांत क्लांतेषु मयर्दितेषु दिवाकर अग्नि चंद्र ग्रह नक्षत्र क्रमण कर्म विविध रूप प्रेक्षणात् अभिहितेषु दुर्बलेषु नेत्रेषु रागदाह तोद शोफ पाक घर्षाही वेदनासु विदेह डलहण सु 19/3 Applying TIK Anjana to the patients who are already tired due to wind, sun, etc. Contact of smoke, dust, etc. Bites of insects, mosquitoes, etc. Contact of toxic materials. Trauma to the eye during water sports. Excessively awakening at night. Excessive fasting. Visualizing illuminated objects like sun, fire, moon, planets, stars, etc. when the eye is tired. Seeing continuously the moving objects. All the above can produce redness, burning, pain, swelling, pus formation and intolerable agony in the eye. All the above causative factors can be summarized as 1. Diet, 2. Regimen, 3. Trauma, 4. Infection. Diet, food substances of sour and salty, alcoholic beverages and having extremely hot or cold, horse gram or black gram. Regimen, misuse of eyes, stress and strain associated with anxiety states, excessive sex, suppression of urges, vigil at night, etc. Trauma, trauma to the head, foreign bodies, bites, etc. Infection, spread of the pathogens to eye. Samparpti, pathogenesis of eye diseases. सिरानुसारिभिर्दोषर्विगुणैरूर्ध्वमाक्तैः जायन्ते नेत्रभागेषु रोगाः परमदारुणाः सु 1:20-21. The vitiated dosas will course through the vessels and reach upwards to produce diseases in different parts of the eye. सर्वरोग निदानोक्तैर्हितैः कुपितामलाः. अचक्षुषैर् विशेषेण प्रायः पित्तानुसारिणः. सिराभिरुर्ध्वं प्रसृता नेत्रावयवमाश्रिता है. वर्त्म संधि सितन कृष्ण दृष्टिं वा सर्वमक्षी वा रोगान कुर्युः असंग. 11/2. The intake of ACAKUSYAS in general and Pitta Prakopka in particular will increase the malas in head. They will be pathologically lodged in Vartma, Sandhi, Sita, K, Drishti or in all these parts to produce diseases. Purva Rupa. Prodromal symptoms of eye diseases. Tatravilan sasangrambha ashru kandup dehvat, gurusha todragadhyah jushtan chavyaktilshneh. Su 1/21. Following clinical features are seen in Purva Rupa. Avilam avilan akulan ashrupurnam, eye seems to be filled with tears, vision diminishes with such feeling. Samrambha ishat shof yuktam, beginning of the swelling. Ashru, increase or decrease of tears. Kandu, itching sensation. Updeho malvriddhi, increase of excretory discharges. गुरुशातोद्रागाद्यैः जुष्टं च अव्यक्तलक्षणैः गुरुशातोद्रागाद्यैः जुष्टं इति अत्र आदिशब्दः प्रत्येकं योज्यः तेन गुरुत्वादिभ्यः श्लेष्मलिङ्गैः उषादिभ्यः पित्तलिङ्गैः तोदादिभ्यः वातलिङ्गैः रागादिभ्यः शोणितलिङ्गैः जुष्टं सेवितं दलहण. सु 1/21. The onset of Purva Rupa Laksanas are related with the respective dosas and rakta. If VTA is involved, there will be pain. If Pitta is vitiated, there will be burning sensation. If Kapha is aggravated, there will be heaviness. The involvement of Rakt leads to the redness of eyes. But these symptoms are only in half-manifested stage, Avyakta Laksana. Complete manifestation of these symptoms are seen in Vyaktavastha. यश्चंद्र सूर्ययोरुपरागण पश्यति तस्य नेत्ररोग उपजायते. असंशा 12/31. If a healthy person repeatedly dreams of lunar eclipse or solar eclipses, it is a prodromal symptom of eye diseases, according to Astanga Sangraha. Sashulam vartmukosheshu shupurnabhmev ch vihanyamanam rupe va kriyasvakshitha pura, su 1/22. Sashula ishat shulam. Shulam vartma kosesu, there will be slight pain in the lids. Kapranbham, foreign body sensation. Rupe nilpitado yen prakaren purva asit, tatah swayme vihanyamanam kriyaman vighatam. Vihanyamana rupam, vision gets disturbed with respect to color sense and form sense. Kriyasu akshi yatha pura, improper functioning of eyelids and other parts. दृष्टैव धीमान बुद्धेत दोषाणा अधिष्ठितंतु तत् सु 1/23 Kraya Dalhana has modified the sentence as Kriyasvakshagat klaman and comments that Tatra Agat klama apt klaman nirvyaparam ityarth. The word kalama indicates tiredness of eyes or eye strain. Tatra sambhavma sadya yathadosha bhishagjitam vidadhyan netrazaroga balvantah syuranyatha. So 1/24 The remedial measures should be started at this stage. Otherwise they may get aggravated and produce complications. Tatra sanchayma sadya iti kechit pathanti tatra sanchay shabdah chay prakop prasradishu vartate. The word sambhava is substituted by sanchaya for in some manuscripts of Susrita Sanhita according to Sri Dalhana. The first 3 stages of Sat Kriya Kala are producing these symptoms in the eye. The Sanchaya, accumulation, Prakopa, aggravation, and Prasra, spreading of dosas are the pathological events taking place during disease formation. After recognizing it, prophylactic measures should be undertaken based on the state of dosas. Sankshepatah Kriyayogo Nidan Parivarjanam Vatadina Pratighatah Prokto Vistaratah Punah. So 1/25 In short, their management consists of avoiding the causative factors and normalizing the deranged vata and other dosas. Classification of eye diseases. As every disease presents differently in individuals according to their age, strength of the body, PRKTI, habits etc., classification becomes essential. Diseases can be classified on the basis of तएव अप्रिसंख्यया भिद्यमाना भवन्ति हि रुजा वर्ण समुत्थान स्थान संस्थान नामभिः व्यवस्थाकरण तेषा यथा स्थूलेषु संग्रहः तथा प्रकृति सामान्य विकारेषु उपदिश्यते. सु 1842-43 रिज सिम्प्टोमेटोलॉजी. वर्णा कलर चेंजेस. समुत्थना onset of the diseases. sthana part involved. Samsthana shape of swellings. NMA nomenclature. In addition to the above, general features and special features of the diseases should be understood for their vyavastkarnam proper management. Classification in Karaka Sanhita. 1. On the basis of doas. Chatvaro akshi roga hai. Su 19/5 Eye diseases are of 4 types: Vataja, Pittaja, Kafja and Sanniptaja. 2. On the basis of Nantamaja. Among 80 types of Vataja diseases, following eye diseases with common etiology and management are included: Vartmastambhasht Vartmasankochasht Timirancha Akshi Shulancha Akshi Vyudasasht Bhruvyudasasht. Su 20/11 Vartma Stambha, Vartma Sankoka, Timira, Akshi Sula, Akshi Vyudsa, Bhruvyudsa, Pittavikarashcha Akshipakasht Harit Haridra Netrak Tvanchak. Su 20/14 Among 40 types of Pittaja Nantamja diseases, AKI Pakae is included. He has also considered the discoloration of eye like greenish and yellowish as the features suggestive of increase of pitta. Shleshma Vikarashcha Malasyadhikyach. Shvet Netratvancha. Su 20/17 Among the 20 type of Kafja Nantamja rogas, he has observed whitish discoloration of eye and excessive exudates maldhikya. Classification in Susrita Sanhit. Susrita Sanhita has adopted 4 types of general and 2 types specialized classifications. General classification on the basis of dominance of dosa, part of the eye affected, prognosis, surgical treatment. The specialized classification includes eye injuries, Eye diseases of children. Classification in ANGA. अष्टादश दीर्घकालानुबंधिनो पिल्ल संज्ञा है. सन 19/7. Akaryavadbhata has followed Susrita Sanhita in all these classifications and grouped chronic eye diseases under Pillaroga Gadanigraha, Yogratnakara, Bhaisajya Ratnavali and many other texts have described exclusive treatments for these Pillarogas. Classification on the basis of dominant dosa. Eye diseases are classified into 5 groups and 2 diseases are kept separately as Bahya.
Ajikajata Yopia 7. Sanatarsa Paxmacopa. Savrina Sukla, 6 types of Kaka Vithika. Nakulandia, Vithika. Aki Pakatyaya, Paitika. Alaji Kafaja. Bayatu, Raktaja. Anamitha Linganasa, Paramlayi. Sanamitha Linganasa, Sanapataja. Arista Laksana in eye diseases. 6/48. Acharya Vagbhata has identified that the person going to be blind will have a bad dream of solar or lunar eclipse. He may see in his dream, falling sun or moon from the sky. Modern classification of eye diseases. Eye diseases are classified on the basis of anatomical structures, like diseases of the conjunctiva, diseases of the cornea, diseases of the sclera, diseases of the uveal tract, diseases of the lens, diseases of the vitreous, diseases of the retina, diseases of the adnexa of the eye, diseases of the conjunctiva. Diseases of conjunctiva are classified into 4 major groups. Inflammations, degenerative conditions, symptomatic conditions, cysts and tumors. Inflammations of conjunctiva includes conjunctivitis of varied etiology. Infective conjunctivitis, bacterial, chlamydial and viral. Allergic conjunctivitis. Granulomatous conjunctivitis. Degenerative conditions. Hyperemia. Chemosis. Ecchymosis. Xerosis. Discoloration. Growths. Cysts. Tumors. Diseases of the cornea. Corneal diseases are classified into inflammations of cornea like ulcerative keratitis, and non-ulcerative keratitis, superficial or deep. Degenerations are of 2 types: age-related and pathological. Corneal dystrophies anterior, stromal and posterior. Ectatic conditions of cornea keratoconus, and keratoglobus. Abnormalities of corneal transparency, corneal edema, corneal opacity or corneal vascularization. Diseases of the sclera. Inflammations of the sclera and staphyloma. Diseases of the uveal tract. Inflammations, degenerative conditions and tumors are the disorders manifesting in uveal tract. Inflammations uveitis, anterior and posterior, endophthalmitis and panophthalmitis. Degenerative conditions may be either in iris or in choroid. Tumors may develop in choroid, ciliary body and iris. Diseases of the lens. Cataract and displacements of the lens constitute major diseases of the lens. Diseases of the vitreous. Vitreous humor suffers mainly due to liquefaction, detachment, opacity, and hemorrhage. Diseases of the retina. Retina undergoes following pathologies. Traumatic lesions. Inflammatory disorders like retinitis and periphlebitis retini, vascular disorder like occlusions of retinal artery or vein, retinopathies due to hypertension, diabetes and sickle cell anemia, retinopathy of prematurity, retinal telangiectasias, ocular ischemic syndrome. Dystrophies and degenerations. Macular disorders. Retinal detachment. Tumors. Disorders of motility of eyes. It includes paralytic and kinetic strabismus, synkinesis, nystagmus and heterophoria. Diseases of the adnexa of the eye. They include, lids, lacrimal apparatus, orbit. Lids. Diseases of the eyelids may be inflammatory disorders, blepharitis, chalazion, hordeolum internum, molluscum contagiosum, anomalies in the position of lashes and lid margin, trichiasis, enteropion, ectropion, symblepharon, ankyloblepharon, blepharophimosis, logophthalmus, blepharospasm and ptosis, tumors and injuries. Lacrimal apparatus. The dry eye, Sjogren's syndrome. The watering eye. Dacryocystitis. Swellings of the lacrimal gland. Orbit. Orbital inflammations. Graves' ophthalmopathy. Orbital tumors. Blowout fractures. Neuro-ophthalmology, the specialized branch to study the optic nerves, optic chiasma, optic tracts, lateral geniculate bodies, optic radiations, and the visual cortex, is advancing very fast. Optics and refraction forms an important part of modern ophthalmology, which concentrates on spectacles and contact lenses beside refractive surgery. Ocular injuries are studied separately with respect to mechanical injuries and non-mechanical injuries like thermal injuries, electrical injuries and radiational injuries to the eye. The advent of newer drugs many times cripple the fragile eyes. Systemic ophthalmology is the branch to study the ocular manifestation of systemic diseases, adverse ocular effects of drugs and ocular abnormalities. Operative ophthalmology deals with surgical procedures involved in the management of eye diseases.